Hello and welcome back to Prime Tech. Today we are at Jaguar local store to present to you the performance test and unboxing of the MSI Vector GP77. Stay with us. Let's unbox the device. Inside the box you'll get the MSI bag. Just take it aside. And also you have another box that contains the device. It is the GB77 model, the 13VG, which comes with the RTX 4070. Here's the laptop itself. Let's just stick it aside. User manual. Here we've got the power cable and the power adapter. And here we've got the MSI mouse, M99 Pro with RGB. And here's the device, the GB77. It's all metal. It uses the same chassis as the previous model. And it is really very heavy. It's more safe to open the lid from the middle instead of one of the sides because the hinges of the 17 inches laptops are far away. If you open it from the side, you may tilt the screen and break the hinge. So make sure to open it from the middle. The device has a 3 USB Type A 3.2 Gen 2 and 1 USB Type C 3.2 Gen 2 as well, and an HDMI 2.1 that can deliver an 8K 60Hz or 4K at 120Hz with a mini display port. Also an RJ45 with a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, and also an audio combo jack. And it has a 1440p screen with 240Hz that supports max switch so that it can squeeze the most possible performance during gaming. This is the power adapter of 240 watts. So this is the mouse that comes with this laptop packaging, the MSI M99 Pro, which has an LED strip. It's very suitable for large hands such as my hand. So let's go on and check the gaming performance of this device.
In Cinebench R23 single-core performance test, the new processor achieved a 10% difference from the 12th generation processor. As for the multi-core test, it achieved a difference of 10.5%, with a closer score to the Core i9-12900HX in both tests. In the Adobe Photoshop test, the slight performance difference from the previous generation is due to the speed of the boost on cores and threads and the amount of dispersion. In 3D Mark Time Spy test, the RTX 4070 achieved a higher performance by 10.8%, and a performance similar to the RTX 3080, 150 watts. The processor temperature stabilizes after 10 to 15 minutes of stressing at 81 degrees, and the power draw starts from 135 watts and settles at 90 watts, with a small thermal throttling ratio from 3.8 to 3.2 GHz on the performance cores. As for the GPU gaming temperature, it remained stable for more than half an hour, with same temperature, speed and energy consumption. As for the improvement in battery performance compared to the previous generation, this is due to the lower energy consumption in both GPU and CPU due to the improved architecture. It lasted 429 minutes of browsing and 400 minutes of video playback.
So what's my final verdict? For me, I don't like the price. The price isn't pleasant. Here in Palestine it is $2,900, which is really very high price, but the pros are too much. It is top performance hardware. The screen is amazing. The screen with the DCI P3 of 99.3, which is really excellent, and it does not use PWM for brightness adjustment, and the 240 Hz panel that is very quick response time, good thermals and the clock speeds, Wi-Fi 6E, which is very fast, and a great keyboard and touchpad. It has 2x DDR5 memories and 2x M.2s, so you can upgrade easily. Very quiet during gaming. The MSI App Center offers a good amount of customization. So I recommend this device, and if you have it in your country with a decent price, just go ahead and buy it. It is really amazing.
Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments and we'll answer you as soon as possible.